Some moments change what you believe is possible. Not loudly, usually not all at once. It happens slowly, arriving on borrowed time. Behind trailers, quiet mornings, and long nights. You don't rush them, don't speak much of it, because you realize it's not about arrival. It's proof. Proof that effort adds up. Proof that patience leaves marks. Proof that someday the thing you pictured, worked, and waited for will touch the ground right in front of you. And nothing else needs to be said.